Guys, good evening. So, see this? This is my piggy bank. So, I saved some money here because I have my goal, and that is to, to build my my kitchen. So, I don't know if how much is the amount inside here. And actually, guys, I also have this one. So this is the coins, and this is the paper bill and the coins. So I don't know, I will just open this one first. Next time it will be this one. We'll try this now. Try to open this. How much is the